Hello everyone, welcome to Finance Study Guide. Today we will discuss about binomial distribution, its properties and some real-life examples to understand concepts clearly. Binomial distribution is used to find out number of successes in a given number of trials, whereby the outcome can be either success or failure. Mathematically, it can be expressed using the following formula. P of x is equal to NCx multiplied by p raised to power x multiplied by q raised to power n minus x, where the probability of success, commonly represented by letter P, is constant for each trial. The probability of failure is commonly represented by letter Q, is constant and is equal to 1 minus P, as only two outcomes are possible. Number of trials is commonly represented by letter N, and the trials are independent. Number of successes in a series of N trials is commonly represented by letter X. NCx is number of ways to choose X from N, or, more technically, combinations of N elements taken X at a time. Let's understand this formula in a more intuitive way. Let us compute the probability of drawing 3 black balls from a jar having black and white balls. It has 60% black balls and remaining are white balls. Each time you select a ball, you replace it in the jar before drawing again. You will draw 5 balls from the jar. Putting all the values in formula, we can get our answer, but intuitively, we can say that one way this might happen is B, W, W. Probability of drawing a black ball is 60% and the probability of drawing a white ball is 1 minus 60%, that is 40%. Therefore, the probability of selecting B, W, W in order is 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.4 into 0.4, which is equal to 3.456%. This is the p raised to power x multiplied by q raised to power n minus x in the formula. However, W is not the only way to choose exactly 3 black beans in 5 trials. Another possibility is B, W, B, and a third is B, W, B. Each of these will have exactly the same probability of occurring as our initial outcome B, W. That's why we need to answer the question of how many ways there are for us to select 3 black balls. This can be calculated as 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial multiplied by 3 factorial is equal to 10 ways. This is first part of formula INCx. 10 multiplied by 3.456% equals 34.56%, the answer we computed from formula also. Now let's look at real-life example. Manufacturing firm uses a machine that manufactures a bolts. It has probability of producing correct nails is equal to 0.95 and has probability of defective nails is equal to 0.05. Factory got an order of producing 1000 nails, but order will be rejected if number of defective nails are more than 60. Manufacturing company wants to check probability of its order getting rejected. Because if probability of order getting rejected is too high, then manufacturing firm is likely to forego the opportunity to fulfill the order. Since we want to find if order will be rejected, so here, success in this scenario is finding a defective nail. So probability of success is equal to 0.05 and probability of failure is equal to 0.95. Let's put this into our formula. 1000 factorial divided by 1000 minus 60 factorial multiplied by 0 factorial. Whole of this is then multiplied by 0.05 raised to power 60 multiplied by 0.95 raised to power 940. This comes out as 0.02. That is 2% chance that order will be rejected. If we plot number of successful outcomes and its probability on graph, then we get a binomial distribution like one mentioned here. Here various number of successful outcomes are on x-axis and their corresponding probabilities on y-axis. Main characteristics of a discrete probability distribution are its mean and standard deviation. For binomial, mean is n multiplied by p, and standard deviation is root of n into p into 1 minus p. Alright everyone, that's all for today's lecture. Do subscribe, like and share if you found our content helpful.